649 costs $3 for each ticket. If you win a lottery in Canada, the entire money is yours. You don't pay any taxes. Be it a million, 10 million, 80 million, the entire money is yours. Now, I don't know why I'm making this video, but I thought it can be helpful for some of you. Whenever I would walk into shopping mall or grocery store, I would find these forms kept all over the lottery ticket counter, and I was too shy to ask how to play a lottery. Now, that's what I'm going to explain in today's video. I'll show you everything what is here one by one. Before we even get into the video, know your limit, play within it. All of these have encore. You can see here, play encore. So any of these you buy, you can also add encore with that. You can go to the retail store and pick this form. So here you see there are two different lottery tickets here, Lotto 649 and Ontario 49. The form is same depending on what you choose. So 649 costs $3 for each ticket. You can see here there are 10 ticket options here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you are buying 10 tickets, 3 into 10, $30, you will pay for choosing the number what you want. Now, you also have Ontario 49, which costs $1. Some people, they combine both, and that combined cost comes to $4 per ticket. What is the difference between both? So you see here, Lotto 649, it has 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ontario 49, it also has 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you see here, cost $1. And here, the amount shows $4 because Encore has been picked here. Okay, so this is the Encore number. Now, between both, the one major difference is, other than this 6 number, you also get a computer generated golden ball drop. So this is a computer generated number. So basically, you pick your 6 number depending on whether you are going for Lotto 649 or Ontario 49, you pay the amount. Okay, so say you are playing Ontario 49, you will select this box like this, and then you fill this entire box 1 to 49. In this, you pick 6 numbers. So for example, I am picking this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this number I picked. So this is one ticket, which will cost $1. Now, in case I say I want Encore, depending on what my selection is here, each will cost $1 per play. So a lot of people go and play Encore in addition to the lottery, because the probability of winning, I'll show you on the screen, is little more. So you either get some amount, you get a play, or sometimes you don't even get. So that's why this Encore option is there, and the top price here is mentioned here. So in case you say Encore, I want 2 Encore. So you cross this part, and depending on, say, $1 for this, Encore 2, so this will be $3. And you get this 6 number of your choice in case you want to pick. In case you don't want to pick any number, you can just do a quick pick here. Okay, the retail person will generate an auto number and give you the ticket based on what your selection is. And in case you have made any mistake here, this is where you will go and do this. So when you do a void, okay, this will not be there. So the retail person knows that this part of the ticket has to be ignored. So here you can pick 10 different tickets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And with each ticket, you can pick your chosen 6 number, or you can just go for the quick play. So this is 649 and Ontario 49. In case you want to keep the same number for remaining weeks, okay, so play up to 26 weeks, 2 draws per week. Here, if you choose 2 weeks, I'll give you the same example. Say I have chosen Ontario 49, which costs $1, and then I have chosen Encore 2, so this will cost $3. And in case I'm going for 10 weeks, that will be $30. So that's how the calculation happens. In case it is 649, in that case, this won't be there. Don't do what I am doing here. This is not the way. Just to explain, I am showing this. Once you cross this, $3 plus $2 here, $5. In case I want to go for 10 weeks, it will cost $50. And if I have picked up more boxes, then accordingly the calculation will work out. So this is 649 and Ontario 49. I hope this gives you some idea of how the play is. This is how the ticket for 649 will look. Whatever amount you paid, that will show up, date, then it will have the 6 number. If it is quick pick, it will show quick pick. I just asked the retail to generate a random number, so that was given. In case you pick the number, then again that will show up. Golden ball draw, I explained, it will be computer generated, and Encore again will be computer generated. So remember to do a signature here. Always have a receipt from where you buy the ticket. In case you forget where you bought the ticket, you will not get your lottery winning. So it's always a good practice to keep the invoice with. So this is Lotto 649 and Ontario 49 combo. So again, here I had shown 649 and 49 where you could pick maximum up to 10 different tickets. In the combo, again, some people believe that the probability increases if they go for this kind of a method, and that's why they choose combo. Here for Lotto 649, $3 per play. Okay, so if you want 649, you go and cross this. The retailer would know that you're going for 649. If you're going for Ontario 49, you will cross this here. Or in case you want to play both, then you cross this here. Okay, let me show this here. Say I'm selecting both here. So this is $4. Now, whatever I choose, it will be multiple. So $4, both I am playing 5 numbers. If I choose this, for example, 5, in that case, in this box, you get to pick your 5 number. You see here, when you select 5 numbers, you are playing those 5 numbers in combination with each of the remaining 44 number, the board as the 6th number. So the 6th number will be a computer generated number, and then you will get those 5 number of your choice. Okay, so you just go and do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you do that, 4 into 5. So that will be $20. In case you choose any other number, okay, so this whatever your chosen is, here I have selected 4. So 4 multiplied by the number what you choose. And those many numbers you will be able to pick from this box, 1 to 49 of your choice. So in case I'm going for 8, then I will cross this 8. So 4 into 8, $32. I would be paying for this. Now here, basically, if you see 7, 8, 9 number combination, when you select 7, 8 or 9 number, you're playing the 7, 28, 84, 6 number combination of the number select. So here 8 number, if I select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, these are my chosen number. And then additional number combination what will come will get generated by the computer. So basically here I am increasing the probability chances of winning for that particular draw. Now in case you choose encore, whatever your selection is, that is counted as one play. So if you select 1, it will cost you $1. If you select 5, it will cost you $5. If you select 10, it will select $10. And this is for that particular payout. So $4. And then here you have selected 8 numbers, 4 into 8, 32. And then in Encore, selected 10. So additional $10. So 32 plus 10, 42. Now, there is something called as advanced play. You can play up to 10 draws in a row. So every time the draw happens, you keep the same number. 8 number, if you have selected, it remains 8 here. And the same 8 number and the Encore number what gets generated will remain. And depending on what you choose, say you choose 10 here, which is 10 week, that will be multiple of 10. If you choose 2, multiple of 2. So here we had calculated 4 into 8, 32. Then Encore 10, I have given an example, that becomes 42. So you play for 10 weeks, 10 draws. So it will be 420. So this is how this combination gets played. So this is the winning number for Lotto Max on November 8. That was the last held draw. And these are the numbers. So if your ticket matches with this number, you are the winner. And you can see also the bonus number which is given here. So Lotto Max, remember, it had 7 pick, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's how this is. Then Encore number, this is the Encore number, which has won the maximum amount. And then you also have max million draw. So you can see cash winners, these many people have won. Nobody got 7x7 match, the number what we saw earlier. Then 6 number matching out of 7, and bonus, this is the winning amount 2 of them got. Likewise, all others have been mentioned here. These were the numbers for max million. So nobody got it. That means nobody had a match. Otherwise, they would have got this amount. So this is the Encore number you see. Here it shows the matches. So any exact number match would get that amount. Only one winner. Where there is no winner, it shows like this. And then the entire details of winner. So if anyone had this match, 04198, they would get $500. So 12 of them have won. To know the winning number, I have the OLG app on my mobile. That's the easiest. And once you have that and you scan, you get instant message on WhatsApp. Congratulations, $2. So for this Lotto 649, I won $2. Again, Likewise, when you scan, sometimes you get to play again, like you can see here, and sometimes you don't win. So these are the few options. You can also go to the retail outlet where they have the scanner, and you can get to scan and see if you have had any winning. So friends, lottery is a game of luck, and not everyone can win. I sometimes play for fun. There's nothing which can replace hard work and being smart. So when I say being smart, there are many other opportunities like having your own business, starting something which you are passionate about, dedicating time there, and being smart about what you do. So there are many other videos you can go and watch on my channel where I have shown how to start a business, how we can go and find permit, licensing, all those aspects of business which might be handy to you, and you are not trying there on your luck, but being smart and putting some effort towards your own success story. I hope this helps. Thank you.